So take side panel off, 2 screws, one here, one there. Remove the retaining clip. This is for the left-hand block. I'm checking the Canoe filter. So the way to do this is just to try to wiggle it out. If you struggle to take it out, you can use a screwdriver and just on the manifold area, just prise it out like this. So after you prise this out, we can just take it in, just swivel it around. Try to. So just use the screwdriver again, just to, on here, on the manifold, securing plate right there. So again, just, this is, just try to turn this around. And once you've got that free from here, you should just be able to just wiggle it down. It's only on a couple of these O-rings, that's all. And you see inside, turn on the yeah, it's looking pretty black in there. Well, I just got it out and it's really dirty in there. The Canoe filter just fell on the floor, so I'll just pick that up. Looking for it. There it is. Now it's on the floor. Yeah. Pretty clogged up, I'd say. Yep. There's your problem with the boiler overheating on hot water draw. Before anyone actually decides to do this, I would get a new one, and you need the new seals too. A seal for here and a seal for there and the retainer bracket. Don't attempt to do this without that, because to get it out, well, as you see, it's going to always happen. Just making sure it's all out. It looks pretty clear to me. So this is the new one, and it has to go in that way. That's the way it goes. And now to put the seal back in. So the Canoe filter's on. I got a new O-ring here. New O-ring on here, which comes with the Canoe filter, and you get a new clip that goes with it, which is this thing. Has it magically appeared. And then now fitting is reversal of removal. I'm not going to show you the struggle. So that wasn't too bad. It's all in there, as you can see. Now, let's see if this is going to be good. And fill it up. Okay, so far so good. Listen off the AEB. Yep. Start her up. Let's get Blow the air out. No, all good. No leaks. Got heat in demand. I'll just get the air out. I've range rated this to 18 kilowatts. And now I'll just try the DHW hot water. I'm just going to test the DHW hot water.
Yeah, right. Sometimes it can have a noise on.
It's got a weak pump.
Sound it does, no? Is there any liquid to put it and then clean?
So this is the hot water only.
Wait.
And we do have a weak pump. I can stop it with my screwdriver. So right now this is one of those jobs for love. So here we got a couple of problems. First and foremost is the Canoe filter that was fully blocked, as you saw, and then a secondary problem just to get this temperature down a bit, because it shouldn't be this high. We only have water at 55 degrees. Showing the internal workings there at 76. So right now we do need to just change this pump. It's a bit of an expensive part though. It's a 5-wire pump, so you can't just go buy a second-hand one with 3 wires on it. And this is plugged into the circuit board. But yeah, that's good. It's not gone up to 90 yet, and the water's been going for 5 minutes, so I think we're good for showering now. This has been an help, and please subscribe.